Hey my besties, welcome back to yet another amazing video. So here we have okra. We're using okra for another treatment. Okay, I am going to grate my okra and I will also blend it as well just to get out the juice. Alright, this is my first time ever trying okra. I have seen a lot of videos stating that okra is amazing for our 4C natural hair, so I am here to do the test. You guys know that I love trying different things on our hair. So this okra, I'm going to use it as a detangler. Okay, I just loosed my hair and I thought of using something to detangle my hair before I wash it. So I came across an okra video on YouTube. I was like, okay, let me try it and take my beauties along in trying it to see if it actually works. So loves, if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button to officially join the family. Like today's video, share it and leave your commentary as well. Have you used okra before on your hair? Let me know in the comment section. So loves, let's get the video started. I'm just blending it, then I will strain it with my wig cap. If you have a cheesecloth, please try and use a cheesecloth, because this my wig cap did not give me the result I needed. Okay, so but I will use it that way because I'm using what I have. I don't like to overstress myself too much. Please, if you have cheesecloth, please do well to use it. So I am here trying to squeeze the okra just to get only the juice and remove the chaff, and I noticed that the wig cap I'm using, the holes are already opening more and more. I thought I was able to manage it, but it turned out that it was not going to budge. So I just said to squeeze the ones I could squeeze, and this was the chaff that was left, even if the chaff did not go out all completely. Right here I'm using coconut oil as a carrier oil on my hair. Okay, you can use any oil you have, it doesn't matter if you use the particular oil I am using. So here is our okra, just coconut oil and okra. Okay, because I feel maybe let me add oil just so that my hair does not dry. Yet another hair video. Okay, so guys, quick updates. I did my previous video, I did flaxseed as a detangler. Okay, and I just loosed my hair, and this is the hair. Can you see this? This is the hair loss I have. Okay, just losing the hair low. I think maybe I did a video where I loosed my hair and I had a bunch of hair when I used it for the first time. So for using flaxseed on my hair as my detangler, and I loosed it after carrying the hair for 1 week. I braid my hair, I carried it for 1 week and I loosed it, and this is the hair loss I am having. So if you guys you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So we're going to be testing another one today. It's not flaxseed. I'm going to be using okra. Yes, okra for the first time on my hair. First time ever in my life on my hair. It says that okra helps to detangle your hair. It helps to limit hair loss, hair shedding, and the rest. I also do my own research on Google, and I'll be dropping it. That I drop it, or I will say it as I am detangling my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be using okra on my hair for the first time. So if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and leave a commentary as well. So love, let's use this on my hair for the first time. So loves, okra is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, and has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients, okay, that are great for our hair growth. It moisturizes a dry scalp, and it also gets rid of dandruff. Okay, so okra is totally amazing for our hair growth. Okay love, so I'm just going to be using this to detangle my hair as I go. So loves, as I was detangling this hair, it was so slimy, it was so smooth. Like, this okra combination is so amazing for my hair growth. And do you know that it also brought out my coils? Like, it really defined my coils. I did not know that it's gonna do that to my coils. Like, yo, so if you're using this okra, please use it in the bathroom, because it is so messy. Like, you'll be so pissed off, because every little one you take, it will just
drop on the floor. Every little thing you take, you just drop on the floor. So do it in the bathroom because it's much it saves you time in cleaning everywhere. Okay, so I'm just using my hand to finger detangle just the way I did in the flaxseed. Okay,
Okay, so for the okra, first hair fall out. All right, so I'll keep it up, then I'll come back. So guys, I'm done with one side of my hair. This is one that's left. So let's do this one together like this. That has slimy. It is so slimy and very messy. Oh my goodness, like this thing is so messy, guys. Are you sure you're going to try to do this with your hair? You don't like messy. I'm not sure you want to do this because this is so messy. I think I prefer the flaxseed because flaxseed is much manageable. But let's see the end result of this one first before we conclude. So slimy, like oh, God have mercy. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm not using comb, I'm only using my hand to finger detangle. Okay, that's what I did in the flaxseed. I didn't use comb, I used my hand to finger detangle everything. Then I will keep it for few minutes, maybe like 30 minutes thereabout. Then I'll rinse out and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like and any other thing you need to do. Okay. My hair feels so soft right now, so slimy and so soft. Okay, so I am done tangling all part of my hair. Yeah. Guys, I am done. My hair feels so soft, like yo, I am super impressed. Are you guys seeing the coils? Like, can you see those tiny coils? Oh my goodness. laughing? My brother is watching football. Alright, let's rinse this out and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like, okay? So guys, I am done with my hair. I figured out that this thing, let's take the color, the chaps are still there, so it will remove with time. I don't know how long, but I feel it will remove with time. What I would say is that between flaxseed and this one, it's almost same thing in the sense that my hair is soft. That is number one. Then the downside about this one is that it gave me this whitish stuff on my hair. Maybe if I have used cheesecloth or the wig cap does not have hole, maybe you have removed all your chaff. So if you have a cheesecloth or a wig cap that does not have a lot of holes, please make sure you sieve it very well so you don't have this whitish something on your hair. So I think this thing, I have to comb this out and it will go out with time. Alright loves, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button to officially join the family. Like the video, share it, and leave your commentary as well. So love this detangler method, or what I call it treatment, on my hair. My hair is so soft, and yeah, and for our hair loss we have for today, we just have this as our hair loss. So this is what we had as our hair loss. Those longer ones are my wig hairs. The black ones are my hair. So those are the hair loss we have. So I'm really impressed about this. I think I'll be doing this once in a week. This treatment once in a week. Anytime I lose my hair, if I don't have this, I'll have this. So I'll just be interchanging them. Alright loves, I'll see you in my next one. Stay subscribed, okay, for more hair videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys.